everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I'm going to give you guys some updates, and we are also going to talk about specific bags that we just have to talk about these guys. It's so much. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so I don't know where to start. First of all, I don't know where to start, but I am going to start, you know what, with my handbag of the day. Today was day 17, and I chose to wear my Damier Azur Speedy 25 bandolier. I'm just going to say this. I am just not big on that print. I am forcing it on myself. I'm just not big on the print. That's that. A lot of you guys love it. For me, I don't know. It's just not, the connection isn't there. And it could just be the Speedy 25 bandolier, because I have the crew set Damier Azur in my collection, the favorite MM, but I haven't used that yet. So I don't know. I tried it again today and the connection was just not there. So I had to share that with my besties. I tried, okay? I tried. I'm gonna try again. Okay, I'm gonna try again. So let's move on. We have to speak on this handbag here. This is the Nano Alma. This is the Nano Alma that is launching very soon, November the 11th. Let me get the product code number. I want to give details, okay? So the Nano Alma in canvas, the product code number is M82717. Please sip your wine. Check this price out. $1,860 for the canvas monogram Nano Alma. But I also want you guys to check this out, because I had to go and, you know, do my little research. I have the Alma BB in my collection, canvas monogram. The price now on the website, $1,760. When I purchased, it was cheaper. Now it's $1,760. This is the BB size. This is the Nano Alma. I gotta look at this again, guys. $1,860. Why is the Nano Alma canvas monogram print more than the BB? This is smaller. Why is it more? Guys, it's here. I think they are honestly going to leave the items, the handbags that's on the website. I don't think they are going to even mess with the prices like that. If they do, it's going to be like $100 or maybe $50 here and there. But these new launches that are coming out, they are just rolling in their price increase, which is smart. It really is. It's smart. We can't fight back with it. It's smart. I understand. But it is so crazy how the Nano, I mean, it's the exact same handbag. This is just smaller. The only difference is the strap. That's all I can see is the strap, and the Louis Vuitton here is engraved in the front. Because I checked, I didn't see it engraved in the front anywhere on the bottom vachetta. Both have the gold hardware at the bottom. The only thing, like I said, is the strap. The strap is adjustable versus the Alma BB. You know, the strap is detachable, but it's not adjustable. That's it. And this does look like it's treated vachetta. Okay. Mine is just sitting here, and I told you the patina, you know, it's starting to, you know, change colors as it aged, because it's been in my collection, I believe 4.5 years now, never used. And it's starting to age, so it does look like treated vachetta now. But this does look like treated vachetta. So that's the only difference that I see. The inside is still the same textile material, the same brown. I don't see a big difference on why the price is so much more than the BB size. So I had to point that out. And I also went on the website again because I just have to do this. I had to. So I went on there. The Nano in Epi leather in the Alma. If you go on there, the different colors that just recently came out. This is an Epi leather. The price is $1,820. The Nano Alma in canvas is still more than the Epi leather handbags. Same size, but it's still more, $40 more. So what is so special about this Nano monogram canvas handbag? This Alma handbag, what is so special? Why is it more than the BB size and also the Nano Almas that's in Epi leather? I had to do my research. I had to go and study this and find out what's going on. So you guys have the inside scoop. If you know why it's like this, I say because they are just going up on the prices and not letting us know. But again, that's just my opinion. Okay, moving on. You guys know the big thing now about the Atlantis BB and the Atlantis GM, the price change. A lot of you stated, hey, when I pre-ordered, the price was $2,850. I saw for myself with my own eyes before pre-orders were open. It was $3,100 for the Atlantis BB. Yes, it was. I honestly think LV, they were like, these people are not going for it. I really believe that they watch us. I believe that they listen to the LV community. I really do. I really do. Some of you was like, yeah, Marquita, when I pre-ordered, it was $2,850. Yes, it was. It was because they went down on the price. I'm telling you guys now. I know what I saw and I know what my CA told me. $3,100 for the Atlantis BB. We have been speaking on this for a while. Now that it's time to pre-order, the price most definitely went down. The Atlantis GM is now the price of the Atlantis BB. That switch was very smart. It was very smart, but I still think it's too much for the BB size. It is still absolutely too much for the BB size. If it was like I said, $2,200, $2,250, I will feel better about that price. I would. The handbag is absolutely too small. So you can go and pre-order now. The price $2,850 for the Atlantis BB in reverse monogram. The monogram, $3,100. Pre-orders are open. You do not have to go and rush. You do not have to go and run unless you want to. These are permanent pieces. They will be available on the website. Even if you missed the first wave, guys, they will be available on the website and you will be able to find these in boutiques to go in and try these items on. And that's exactly what I am going to do. When I spoke to my CA, she said, Marquita, you have the reverse monogram cans handbag in your collection. She said the BB, the Atlantis BB, is this size. She said it is this size. And I honestly can fit my phone, both phones, in this. My iPhone 14 Pro Max can fit in this. I mean vertical. It can fit in just fine. I had someone send me a DM. She said she honestly went in, had the opportunity to try the Atlantis BB on, and her iPhone 14 Pro Max could not fit in. So I don't know. My CA told me to compare it as far as height wise, compare it to my cans handbag. And of course I went on the website and you know, hey, this is creative. I understand this being the price that it is. At the time, I've been having this 3 years. I believe it was like $2,600, I believe. Now it's like $2,950. This is still a lot for a canvas handbag. But guys, look at how much leather is on the handbag. Okay, this is very detailed. This is giving way more than the Atlantis BB. So the Atlantis BB is still close. Even with tax, guys, it's going to be like $3,000 still. I'm still not happy about that at all. So I wanted to give that update so everyone know, if you want to go and pre-order, you can. If you want to wait, these are permanent pieces. You can chill, guys. You can chill. We will have the opportunity to see these on the website. We will have the opportunities to actually go in and try these on. And my CA say that she's not really even getting pre-orders like that for the handbag because of the price. Guys, we are getting smarter. Okay, we are getting smarter. Not saying that you are wrong if you pre-order, because if you like the bag, you like the bag. I still love the bag. It's just me and the price, we're just not getting along right now. But if I go in, try it on, you guys, hey, I might leave out with it. You buy what you love, especially if, hey, you work hard and you can afford it. Bills before bags, okay? The last thing that I want to speak on, check your mini bum bags. Check your mini bum bags. Check your high-rise bum bags. The return and exchange rate is very high on the mini bum bags if they were created, manufactured in the USA. Someone in my Facebook group honestly went in and announced that she returned hers. It was in the USA. I was like, oh wow, mine was manufactured in Italy. Most of them are. Lately, they have been rolling out mini bum bags made in the USA. My sister is a flight attendant. Her best friend, mini bum bag came in today. Guess what? The alignment is off. I wish I could have took a picture. It's probably the worst I have ever seen in my life. And guess what? Made in the USA. I'm not sure what's going on, but this has been something, honestly, that have been going on in the LV community for a while now, checking the handbags where they were made. And honestly, I didn't really understand it when I first came into, you know, purchasing Louis Vuitton handbags, but I understand now. I really, really do see it. And when I tell you, it was horrible. The alignment where the zipper was, it was horrible. And yes, she's going to be returning, and she didn't even want to return because she said it took so long for her to get the mini bum bag. I told her that's unacceptable. It's just unacceptable. We pay good money for quality. We pay good money for the handbags that we, honestly, if it's your first handbag, I know you're going to use it probably every day. It's your first luxury piece. So guys, check your handbags. Not even if it's a mini bum bag. Check all your handbags. I'm not telling you that every handbag manufactured, made in the USA is horrible. But so far, what I've been hearing, the alignments, it's the zipper, the alignment, the stitching. Check your handbags. Even if it's not made in the USA. When they go to the back and bring your handbag to you in the box, I don't care how beautiful they have it wrapped, they can do it again. Check your handbags. If it comes in the mail, the first thing, I know you are excited, check your handbag. And if you are not happy, if you question one thing, I don't care if the zipper, if the gold hardware isn't gold enough, if it's not shiny enough, if you are unhappy, send it back. Either purchase the same exact handbag, or if you don't feel comfortable, purchase another handbag. It's your money, your hard-earned money. These handbags aren't cheap. Send them back. The high-rise bum bag, I heard of one time the alignment being off. Guys, I don't know. Like I said, the quality is like they're just, they see the demand and they're not taking their time. They're just creating these handbags, making these handbags, and then they're just shipping them out. They're shipping them out. So I want to go and give you guys an update on the Atlantis BB and the price. Please keep in mind permanent pieces, okay? And I wanted to speak on the Nano Alma handbag. A lot of you guys asked. Like I said, the price is crazy for that small canvas handbag. I think of that just like the Atlantis BB. The Atlantis BB and canvas is crazy, and the Nano Alma. But you guys know what's going on. You see what's going on. The price increase on the canvas is crazy right now. And it's it's going to get crazier. That's it. And also, if you have the mini bum bag, please take a second. Go in your closet, wherever you store your mini bum bag. Go in and just check. Even if it's made in Italy. Mine was made in Italy, thank you God. But check the alignment. It's like they created these handbags and they just, like I said, they're not checking. They're not inspecting any of these handbags. Okay? So check your handbags, check your bum bags, all your handbags in your collection. Check them. If it's over 30 days, I really don't think it's nothing you can do. But if you just bought a handbag from Louis Vuitton or any brand, check your handbags, guys. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think. Leave in the comments. Okay, you guys know how we do over here. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye-bye.